AssetWhere is a great tool to support schools in tracking their room refurbishment requirements. The AssetWhere system gives you visibility to all your rooms from the comfort of your desk. So I'm going to move in closer into the school and focus on the Adams building, particularly room 8, the fabric design room. You can see that I can access all the key information, such as when it was last refurbished in 2012, square meterage, and when it's due to be refurbished. I can also easily track the room utilisation rates, which is really useful for schools undertaking building programs and needing to find extra classroom spaces. You can also view the key materials used in the room's construction, for example, what paint colour was used on the walls. Since this room is due to be refurbished in 6 months, this is a crucial piece of information. So this tool enables you to easily make key refurbishment decisions and complete grant applications with everything visible and at your fingertips.